XDC, guys. This coin is going crazy just because I'm not saying that like it's going rocket right now, but look at the price almost around 0.8 cent. Guys, look at the weekly time frame. It's just going higher from this area because it's just dumping like crazy last time. If you look at the history of, you know, XDC, this one is my favorite one in banking or finance sector. That's why I just love it. So if you look at the weekly time frame, this weekly time frame, it's just dumping like crazy, guys. Just dumping like crazy. But finally, we see some green signal because it just bumped from this support. This is a major and massive support, guys. I'm not talking about this is the support and just pump like crazy. If you look at the update of XDC, you can see right now that you can see XDC Network Achiever, the major milestone in 2021. And they are not working with just only this blockchain. They are working with the Coda. So Coda and you know the familiar about R3 Coda. They are working very hard in the finance sector in banking, and really I really love that. And one more thing, the other thing is that if you look at over here, the France and Switzerland explore the direct transfer of euro. European country is just adopting this technology, and which technology they mostly use for this transaction. Only one thing. Just remember is trade finance, and what exactly the trade finance is it? If you look at the XTC company deal with the R3 Coda, and they know that the R3 Coda playing a major role in the finance sector and in trading industry. Trading and trade finance contain almost around trillions of dollar transaction every month. Just think about it. Not only I'm talking about United States, I'm talking about other country as well. But look at this wholesale digital currency. They're providing this kind of feature. That means they are connecting with this wholesale market in the trade finance. And who's going to provide this kind of support to these transaction and wholesale digital currencies? We all know that XTC and R3 Coda. Other thing is that other rumors spread all over the market. They say that the volume is keep decreasing. This is just a FUD we see in the market, because if you look at the market cap, it just keep rising up. We slightly see some downfall in XTC previously, because what happened, the $1 billion to almost around 800 million. This is scary, guys. But if you look at volume, the volume is constant. This is make me so bullish about the XTC. People buying, holders buying it. So I'm not giving any financial advice to buy or sell these things, but I'm just sharing my personal opinion. Other thing is that you can see right now XTC also upgrading their network every single time. They upgrading this network because they know that X and Xinfin fintech launched XTC network over 2 years ago. This is crazy, the 2-year-old project to performing very well and providing a layer 1. It's not a layer 2 just like subsidiary of the project. It's a real layer 1. This is a pure one. And they're running almost around 75% node validation rate. This is crazy, and they have a major protection against a blockchain attack and vulnerability, because this thing is common. In the past, we see a lot of hash attack and more and more. But this one is a crazy one. They're protecting their investor and financer to providing this node facilities and validator. This is quite amazing, and this one is a public and private both, because this blockchain is totally chain. And you know that what happened in a hybrid blockchain, it contains proof of stake and proof of work both. So this XTC and consensus is providing a major role in a finance and banking sector. And other thing is that other one I just want to share with you the information what exactly happened. XDC also listed on this exchange as well. They are just listing this token in the DigiPhoenix. So do you guys thinking like a DigiPhoenix is no big exchange, they don't have any liquidity on it, so they are not performing very well. So what are you going crazy because if they are listing this token in this exchange, so this is a big achievement? I'm not saying that like this is a big achievement, but this is a good thing we accepting from the XTC. This is quite amazing. And this trading token in XTC launch in this time zone almost around 16 GMT. So it's just providing more liquidity to the investor and holders, because they are listing this token in random exchanges. That means they are fully confident about this project. They want to make investors safe and secure, because I know that one company is gone, other company is gone, and third company is gone. So I'm not thinking like a whole company is gone from the market. This is a big billions of dollar market. So they are just making the investors safe and secure to to divide their portfolio in a different exchange. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not suggesting you guys to have to put this XDC in a different exchange. This latest update gave a wing to the XDC. The transaction speed is keep rising up. And not only the transaction speed, energy consumption. This is a major question came into your mind when you think about like this is the mineable coin and this is the hybrid coin. So proof of stake, proof of work needs some energy for that. So yeah, it didn't require that much of energy. That's why they are just upgrading their network. Pretty cool. And also it contains ISO 2022 certificate. I always talk about this thing. This is a very unique and fantastic one. And the DEX support XRC20. They also providing DEX support. That means decentralized, no control. This thing is not controlled by government. This thing is not controlled by the one person. It's totally decentralized. The community control and community put their asset on the DEX. This is a unique feature. I really love it. And that's why I really love the Globe Binance DEX. This one is one of the best one, and XSwap as well. I already filming the video XSwap and it's giving a 4x return, guys. 4x return. People making money from this coin as well. So I'm looking potential in XDC. I'm looking potential in XDC, and it's reaching almost around a 15 cent or even a 14 cent. Easy money, but again, not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any financial, I'm just sharing my personal opinion. So I'm looking because I bought almost around 100K XDC. I'm still holding my 100K XDC for future because I know there's this project containing a massive use case. So I'm not giving up anything. So I'm just keep buying my target, which is almost around 1 million XDC. So if I'm holding a 1 million worth of XDC, so if it reach almost $2, I'm accepting. So I get almost around $2 million. So it's not a big deal because everyone making billions of dollars these days. So yeah, that's my target for XDC only. So I have other token as well for that. Alright guys, this is all about XDC related information. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for